Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing the Samsung S25 Ultra 1 TB new phone. So this is the latest phone released in Australian market by Samsung. So let me see how the phone looks like and what are the special features and all that. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is a new phone. Let's see. I'm very excited to see inside. So this is the beautiful S25 Ultra in titanium black color 1 TB phone, and on the bottom you can see left side is a S Pen and charging point and speakers. So this is the S Pen, as you can see that on the bottom left side, and so now they have discontinued the Bluetooth feature on S Pen because they feel that most of the people are not using that, but people like me who are out with the families and all that, so you can take the picture by putting the phone on the tripod or anything, and you can take the picture. It works like a Bluetooth remote, but otherwise you have to use the timer facilities and all that, so you have to like press and run to take the picture every time. So this feature was very useful, but now they have discontinued that. So let me remove the cover. See this one. So let's see what else they have provided. So this is the SIM extracting tool, and this is the charging cable, and this is the some Samsung warranty papers. Nobody bothers. There is no wall adapter or anything, so now they keep charging and minting the money. So I'm not sure, when spending $2,537 for this phone, why can't they provide the wall adapter also? So this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see, this is my mobile phone, and this is the type C to type C charging cable plus data transfer cable, and this is the SIM extracting tool, and some Samsung warranty papers, those kind of things inside. So pretty much not much inside the box. And as you can see, the phone is very compact and light, and as you can see that, see, they have given the very beautiful finish on the corners also, and this is the titanium black color. So my new Samsung S25 Ultra is ready to go now. So on the right side they have put up the power button, and this is the power button, and this is the volume up and down keys. So on the bottom they have this S Pen, and then this is the speaker, this is the charging point, and this is the SIM tray. I hope guys you like this unboxing video. I will be putting up a separate video on comparison between S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, whether you should upgrade or no. And if you have any question relating to this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.